welcome back. This is the last session, session 8. My name is Akiko from Lane Public Library, and this is Baby and Me Storytime. Our first book today is called Splish Splash Ducky. What do ducks say? Do you remember? Ducks say quack quack. Can you say that with me? Quack quack. Splish Splash Ducky by Lucy Cousins. Hello, I'm Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Can you all say it with me? Quack, quack, quack. Very good. Oh, goody, hooray, it's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug and a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, flip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go see my daddy. Cheer up, ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We will quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. The end. I think we need to sing a song about ducks, shall we? I think we all know this one. Okay. Can you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Can you do 5? 5 ducks. And here's the mommy duck. And I hope you sing along with me. You ready? 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went swimming one day. Should we do swimming? Over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. No, there's just 1. Can you do 1? 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, 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 quack. Oh no! No one came back. Sad mother duck went out one day. Oh, she's very sad. Over the hills and far away. Sad mother duck said quack, quack, quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. And mommy duck is not sad anymore. The end. Okay, let's do one more song. This is actually it's a simple game. We like to do this song or game with to introduce the concept of sharing and taking turns. And you can start this at a very early age. If it's just me and my baby, I'll face each other, and then I sing a song, and we take turns with the ball, and we talk about sharing. If you have siblings in the house, or involve your other family members so that you can sit in the circle. That way, it's more. Not only it's more fun, but it's more. It's easier for baby to understand a concept. Maria, you ready? Here we go. So I'm gonna start, and then while I sing, while we all sing, we take turns passing the ball around, so that the baby will know that yes, you take turn, yes, you let go of the ball, but your turn will come back. And later on, maybe when they're a little bit older and when they have a hard time sharing with their friends, you can talk about it, and they will already know the word. So here we go. And I like to do it with the peas porridge hot because it flows really well. You'll see. Here we go. Okay, so I have Mr. Squirrel, Ducky, and Froggy to share the ball with us. Okay, Mari, you ready? Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in a pot, 9 days old. Now it's your turn. Can you pass it along, Mari? Some like it hot. Now it's Froggy's turn. Some like it cold. Peas porridge in a hot, 9 days old. And you can keep singing and continue go around and around. I hope you try. Okay, let's do one more story before we say goodbye. This one is called Who Sleeps Cat the Cat? It's Bedtime! It's a series by mini-series by Mo Willems. We'll scoot over so you can see the story. Who sleeps, cat the cat? It's bedtime! Hi, sheep the sheep, time to sleep. Okay. Hi, pig the pig, time to sleep. Sure thing. Hi, giraffe the giraffe, time to sleep. No problem. Hi, crab the crab, time to sleep. Sounds good. Hello, horse the horse, time to sleep. I'm on it. Hi, shark the shark, time to sleep. I hear that. Hi, owl the owl, time to, Never mind. Good night, everyone. Shh. Shh. Checkers, anyone? The end. As you can see, this is a modeling good behavior as well. So that was Who Sleeps, Cat the Cat by Mo Willems. Okay, before we say goodbye, what is our early literacy tip today? What is early literacy anyway? That's a very good question. So early literacy is what children know about reading and writing before they can actually read or write. So it's skills and knowledge and the concept that they need to acquire before they learn on their own to read or before they learn to write. That's about age 4, 5, 6. So before that age happens, your child has to know all these skills. It starts as simple as how the book works, like you turn the page, to something more complicated, like these are called letters, and each letter has sounds, and they form words, and there's sentences, and there's period at the end, and all those things that you may not necessarily talk about, but that's what's happening when you're reading to your baby at home. So it's actually really important that you read to your baby and your child. And I hope you have fun too. I know I talked a lot about early literacy in this program, but I can't stress enough. It has to be fun, and you have to have fun too. And I hope this program helped you enjoy time with your baby more, and I hope it gave you ideas about incorporating books into your daily lives with your baby. Okay, this is our last goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Have a good day, have a good night. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Thank you so much for joining me for this program. My name is Akiko from Lane Public Library. I'm usually at Oxford Branch, so if you're ever in the library at Oxford Branch, I hope you'll find me. I would love to see you all. Thank you again. Bye-bye.